This is a Python program I created for my Google Advanced Data Analytics certificate project. With this program, you can read and analyze data from CSV and Excel files. This is the data I downloaded from National Park. We can see here the Y. This is the visitor year, the yearly visitor population, and the X is the national park names. From the Blue Ridge and the Great Smoky Mountains have the highest visitor amount. And if you want to see other files, let's see the Western Valley case data. This data actually is from my cost accounting class. Once you upload, it will show you the total 10 rows. You can see I have dates, average price, total volume, type. This is the data about avocado sales in the US. Let's see what I have here. See the year. Check the year and then total volume. If you want this changing, we can see here the line. We can see 2024 has the highest amount, but 2025 it suddenly dropped so much. It must have a reason. Let's figure it out. If we're missing some data here, click month. Now we can see 2025 is here because 2025 missing data from July to December. That's why it has the decline. If you want to see the city, which city has the highest volume? Here, Los Angeles is the highest one. It's 1.5 million. But what's the average? Average is about 1,500,000 per year. But if I want to say the price, average price, I can say here actually Seattle has the highest average price, 1.76. From this we can read more data. You also can choose more file. Now I click this. This taxi trip is from the Google project. For the data shows 10 rows here. Some of these rows are added. Let's see what we click the describe. It will show the data mean and maximum. Now this information. If you want to see what's the information, we have 22,000 rows and have about 24 columns. Loading data type here. If you want to see more details, for example, if you want to see the let's see the amount and the total amount. From here we can see the month May and June had the highest amount and July had the lowest one. But if we want to see more details, let's switch to the other program which you can see the specific analyze. Close here. From here, let's upload that data. Now from here is the first 10 rows, and this is the busy time hours. Okay, we have the busy hours here, which are from 5 to 6. Those are busiest hours. 10. And then if you want to see others, like the pick up and the drop off route, from 264, actually this code is outside New York City. So the taxi actually, they held most route nearby New York City, and this 236, 220, 237, they are Manhattan areas. We want to see the route and amount. You can see outside New York City actually has the highest amount. They're making the most money. They want to see the most expensive route. This is still outside New York City, and then later this 32. This actually is the JFK Airport to different areas. So from JFK Airport to New York City areas, they have the most expensive route. See the payment type with the average tips. Here we can see we have 4 payment types. The first one, which is the credit, has the highest tip amount here, averaging this, and the second is cash. Other two just a little. Let's check the distance with total amount. The correlation is high, shows 0.88, which they are very related. The longer the trip, the higher the amount. And from this graph, we can see the distance is between 0 to about 12 miles. This is the passenger count. This is not very related because the correlation only 0.01. You can see almost doesn't matter how many people you are in the car. They are the total amount similar, but 2 people usually a little bit higher than others. But from the chart we can see the triple count. One passage actually has the most triple count. For the triple total, and this is the week analysis. From this chart we can see Thursday has the highest total amount. The next is Wednesday, Friday. Monday and Sunday had the lowest amount. For the monthly, here we can see the lowest is July. Next is like February and August. The highest total amount is May, March, and then September. This is because the New York City has the high season during this month, so have the highest amount. Thank you.